I'm Hannah. I'm the area finance manager for the Porte du Soleil, and this is my first ski season. VIP have been really supportive. Being a complete beginner and this being my first season, I didn't really know what to expect, but I couldn't have asked for anything better. Everybody's been so genuine and so lovely that I feel very welcomed straight away. Training has been very thorough. So it's split between sort of lecture style and then interactive preparation and really putting our knowledge to the test before the guests come so that any mistakes can be ironed out so that we get it right every time for when the guests arrive. And I think it's good, even if you're not necessarily involved directly with the things that they're training you in, it just gives you a very holistic view of the company. And ultimately that can only be beneficial. And yeah, I couldn't have asked for anything better, really. It's been very fun.